So, you will soon be... Are you ready to take on Miranda to be your... strife? I mean wife?
I do.
Well then, I now pronounce thee man and wife. You may now... I'm sorry, this is my first time. So, let us now present the rings. How beautiful. It makes me so happy to see a couple in love. So in love. So now that you have the rings, do you have any objections to this marriage? No, none. Okay. So, without any further objections or impediments, I now pronounce thee happily married man and wife. Michael, you may now kiss the bride and feel her up. I meant you may now kiss the bride.
On the cheek. I love you.
So, now. Thank you very much for coming today. It's been a joyous occasion to celebrate the marriage of Michael and Miranda. May you have many happy years together for the rest of your lives. You may now go on your honeymoon and do whatever people do on their honeymoon. Okay.
That was hilarious.
1, 2, 3.
It's not unusual to be loved by anyone. It's not unusual to have fun with anyone.